Hello, everyone. Today I am here to talk about a topic that I am very passionate about, a global goal, life below water. And my name is Vicki Fugit. The first screen you'll be seeing here is a mind map about protecting our ocean ecosystems. The ocean provides many things. It provides water, it absorbs heat, it creates a lot of the oxygen that we use for human life. Over 3 billion people depend on the oceans for food. It absorbs carbon dioxide and it provides jobs to ensure livelihoods for so many people. We need to protect, and ways to do that is evidence-based research, keeping litter from entering the oceans, helping change policies and increasing fishing laws, protecting hotspots, overfishing, and carbon dioxide and litter is probably the three main problems that affect our ocean's ecosystems. Globally, more than 11 million tons of plastic enter the oceans every year. 11 million tons of plastic. Nationally, the U.S. is one of the largest producers of plastic waste. This little infographic here says the U.S. bottled water industry pumps out over 50 billion plastic bottles every year, most of which do not get recycled. That's probably my number one goal, is to get people to stop buying and using bottled water, because how easy is that? Locally, our communities do not understand that we are the problem. I think a lot of times I was guilty of this too, because I don't live near an ocean. I'm hours and hours away from the closest ocean. It was just not something that was ever in my mind that I could help save and protect the ocean's health. You can do that locally. The first target that I wanted to talk about that relates to the global goal is by 2025, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution of all kinds. I think a big factor in that is obviously plastic. Target 2 says by 2020, substantially manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems to avoid significant adverse impacts. Our oceans need help. This is just a small little infographic, easy ways for you to help keep our oceans clean. Conserve water, reduce pollutants, reduce waste, shop wisely, reduce vehicle pollution, use less energy, fish responsibly, practice safe boating, respect the habitats, and last but not least, volunteer. On this next slide, you'll see a couple questions from a survey that I did and I sent out to people in my local community here in Eastern Kentucky. Two very easy questions. Do you buy and consume bottled water? You'll see here that most people said yes. I think that's just a normal thing that most people do on a daily or weekly basis. And then my next question was, would you stop buying bottled water if you knew you could significantly increase ocean health? In my opinion, the whole thing should be blue for yes, but it wasn't. We had so many maybes, and I think it's because we need more education, especially in communities that are not directly or really close to oceans. Here's another point to my fact. Don't live close to the beach. You can still make a difference. If people in the U.S. would stop buying bottled water, if there was no demand to make all of those bottles of water, to use all of that plastic, then all of that plastic would not make its way through our rivers and streams and lakes to oceans. This is just a small little flyer I did about saving the ocean. Don't buy bottled water. Get involved with local conservations. There is actually local conservations here in Kentucky. One of them I have posted down at the bottom of this. The kwalliance.org. They are actually, they have a branch in Lexington, Kentucky, if you want to get involved that way. Conserve water, recycle, don't litter, and using paper straws are just a couple of things you can do to help save our oceans. Here's another couple tips and tricks how you can help support life below water. Stop drinking bottled water. That is my main theme. I will die on that hill. Everybody needs to stop buying bottled water and use reusable cups. Join the local conservation project, use reusable bags at retail stores, conserve water usage, organize cleanups. So many things we can do right here in Eastern Kentucky to save our oceans. Last but not least, let's protect our greatest resource. The ocean provides so much to all humans, and if we don't start protecting it, it's not going to end well. So stop buying bottled water. Thank you.